Welcome to this honest review of Zombies Run, an innovative fitness app designed to merge storytelling with physical activity. If you've ever struggled with staying motivated during your runs, this app might just revolutionize your fitness routine. Zombies Run places you in the heart of a thrilling post-apocalyptic story where your running sessions become missions to survive. The app's premise is simple yet engaging. You're a survivor in a world overrun by zombies, and every run you complete propels the narrative forward. From collecting supplies to outrunning zombie hordes, the app immerses you in its world through dynamic audio storytelling. Each mission feels like an episode of a gripping drama, where your pace and distance dictate your success. Navigating the Zombies Run interface is straightforward, with clear options to start a mission, track your progress, and access an in-depth story archive. Whether you're an experienced runner or just starting out, the app accommodates all fitness levels. Its customizable settings allow you to adjust the difficulty, including the intensity of zombie chases. The standout feature of Zombies Run is its ability to transform mundane workouts into an exciting adventure. As you run, audio cues provide story updates, while your headphones deliver a mix of music and immersive sound effects. Imagine sprinting to escape a zombie horde or slowing down to sneak past danger. It's fitness reimagined. Beyond its storytelling, Zombies Run offers robust tracking features, including distance, pace, and calorie tracking. The integration with popular fitness platforms allows you to sync your progress seamlessly. The app also includes social features, like sharing achievements with friends and participating in community challenges. However, there are a few downsides. Some users may find the free version limiting, as access to certain missions and features requires a subscription. Additionally, the app's reliance on GPS can be tricky in areas with weak signals. Despite these minor drawbacks, the app's immersive experience and motivational value outweigh the negatives. If you're ready to turn your runs into an epic adventure and join a community of fitness enthusiasts who enjoy the thrill of storytelling, Zombies Run might be your perfect companion. Hit the subscribe button and give this video a like to stay updated on more fitness app reviews and insights.